Hey, the weather's changing. Things are starting to warm up. With that means our Bermuda is going to be coming out of dormancy along with the zoysia and centipede. If you have St. Augustine, all these things are going to start greening up over the coming weeks. If you have cool season fescue, it's going to be coming into its prime over the next few weeks as well. So you're going to see lots of new growth going on, darkening up, really turning that real nice rich green that everybody loves with fescue. Our next application that we're getting ready to put out, if you have a warm season lawn, we're going to be putting out a crabgrass pre-emergent as well as a nut sedge preventative, and we will be putting out micronutrients and a fertilizer to really help build up the soil and push it out of dormancy into a greening up stage. If you have fescue, we're going to be putting out our slow release fertilizer. This is going to help encourage it to really begin to put on that new growth, and the slow release is going to help carry it into the summer. Come summer, we don't want to push fescue with a lot of fertilizer because that only encourages the disease pressure to be increased. So again, we're going to be putting out preventatives for both crabgrass and for nut sedge, along with micronutrients for your warm season and slow release fertilizer for your cool season grasses. We look forward to working with you again, and we really are excited to see the changes that will start happening in your lawn over the coming weeks.